Can your child choose which parent they want to live with? This is something that crops up all the time, right? If you've separated from your ex and you've got a parenting plan, um, your kid may favor one parent over the other. In fact, that happens very frequently. So the question that comes up all the time is, well, if the kid favors me, can I keep the child more? Or can I let my child choose which house to go to? The answer is it heavily depends on what your parenting plan says and also the age of the child. So let's break that down. Some parenting plans do give the child discretion about where the child can reside. That's often reserved, though, only for older children. Think teenagers, right? Mid to late teenage years. If your kid is, say, 5 years old and they don't want to go to mom's house and they want to stay with dad, well, if your parenting plan says they have to go to mom's house, they got to go to mom's house, right? You can't just let your kid pick and then call the mom and say, hey, little Sally didn't want to go to your house this weekend. I'm sorry. No, you can't do that, right? Unless your parenting plan says specifically the child has discretion. But let's break down some exceptions there. If your kid's 17 years old, they've got their own car, and you know that, hey, if I force my kid out of the house and tell them, go to your mom's house, and you know they're just going to turn around and drive right back, well, do you have to kick them out of the house? That's a gray area, right? Judges will treat you with forgiveness in most circumstances. Once your kids reach teenage years, they'll understand that it's very hard to force a teenager that's unwilling to go to the other parent's house. That being said, always run it by an attorney, and better yet, always get approval from the court before you start refusing to let your kid go to the other house, because that can land you in hot water, even if your kid is in that late teenage year time frame. If you need help with your specific case, give my office a call. My name's Jack Inman, and my number is 423 777 8396.